Hi, I'm Todd.
And I'm Andrea. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming lives for homeowners across Sudbury and Manitoulin Island. Downsizing.
Downsizing isn't just about moving into a smaller home. It's about simplifying your life, reducing stress, and unlocking new opportunities. It's the chance to reimagine your home and what it means to you.
Let's start with the benefits. By downsizing, you enjoy lower maintenance, greater financial freedom, and the chance to declutter and embrace a minimalist lifestyle.
Imagine spending less time on home repairs and more time doing what you love. A smaller home means fewer chores, reduced costs, and more freedom to focus on what truly matters to you.
Downsizing can also free up equity, allowing you to invest, travel, or support your family's future. Plus, it's a chance to move closer to loved ones or choose a location that better suits your current lifestyle.
So how do you make downsizing a success? It starts with planning. Begin decluttering early. Give yourself enough time to decide what truly adds value to your life.
Start small, maybe a closet or a single room. Donate or sell items you no longer need and focus on keeping things that serve a purpose or hold sentimental value.
Next, define priorities. Think about what's most important in your new home. Is it single-story living, proximity to amenities, or maybe a beautiful view?
It's also vital to think about the future. A home that meets your needs now should support your lifestyle for years to come, whether that means accessibility, community resources, or low maintenance features.
Working with experienced professionals can make a huge difference. As local realtors, Andrea and I know the Sudbury and Manitoulin Island markets and how to work them. We're here to help you find a home that makes your vision while matching the future of your family.
We can connect you with trusted professionals for staging, inspections, moving services, taking the stress out of the process.
Finally, let's talk about timing. Right now, the real estate market in Sudbury and Manitoulin Island is full of opportunities. By downsizing in the winter, you can take advantage of motivated buyers and less competition.
Plus, starting early means that you'll be ready to settle into your new home just in time for spring. A fresh start in every sense.
Downsizing is more than just a move, it's a lifestyle change. And with the right approach, it can be an exciting and rewarding journey.
So, are you ready to simplify your space and elevate your life?
Reach out to us today. Let's make your downsizing journey smooth and stress-free and tailored to your needs.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert advice on real estate in Sudbury and Manitoulin Island.
See
you next time.